Hi my friends, today we model this part and this is the drawing. We start with this contour 60, distance of 70 plus 30, radius 5. This part is number 44 from my collection of 100 mechanical parts. New empty document. Take a look of this workbench and select CAD, not Blender, because we create mechanical parts. New sketch, XZ plane, then a polyline, horizontal, we go here, back, up. This is vertical, this is horizontal, this is not aligned. Now it is coincident, these two, then radius 30, dimension in the drawing, this is 70 plus 30, then we apply fillets. I want to show you again this situation. If you select small distances, you obtain small radius. If you select large dimensions, you obtain large circle. But they are equal in our situation. Radius 5. Close and pad. Pad symmetric on a distance of 60. Okay. This is the other 60. Now we create this sketch, but in two stages, as you'll see. Diameter of 30, this is the center point for us. Diameter of 30, thickness of 4, diameter of 6, distance of 30 from the center point. Face, new sketch, we have a center here, 30 is the circle, then 6 for the other, 6, the distance of 30 between the two circles, 30. Close, pocket all the way through the part. Okay, then this face with another sketch, we draw a rectangle, this one, we project this arc we project this circle, we apply symmetry between points, these two, about this point. Then tangent of this short line about this arc. The only necessary dimension is 4 millimeters. Close, pocket all the way. Okay. Now the other sketch with similar dimensions, but on the other face. Face, new sketch, circle somewhere here, 30. Then the other dimension is 6. You have to enlarge the view to apply that dimension. Try for yourself to see what happens. Distances, this is 70, and this is 30. Close, pocket all the way through the part. Okay. Once again, another sketch with a simple rectangle. From inside here, oh no, from here to outside. We project this end line, we project the circle, we apply symmetry, point, point, point. Then coincident this point with this projected line. Dimension 4 millimeters once again. Close and pocket through all. Okay. Now we apply this cut here. Radius 8, dimension of 16, of course, and 21 from this point, or 21 plus 70 to the center point. Face, sketch, project this end line, polyline, start from the line, horizontal, then MMM from the keyboard. Now intentionally I go sloped and back to the start. This sloped becomes horizontal. Coincident is this point with the axis, radius 8, and distance from here and distance from the center to the center point of 21 plus 70. Okay, the depth is 12. pocket on 12. Okay, this is the depth. Then we see diameter of 10, a hole here. We simply select this face and we apply hole, diameter of 10, also through the part. Okay. At the other end, this profile is similar with this, but a distance of 21. You see here this distance, here is a cut, and here there are 2 cuts. This face for a new sketch. Then we project this end line, polyline, starting from that line to the right, horizontal, we go here, back and back. Once again, this must be horizontal, this point must be placed here, the radius is 8, and the distance from this point to the center point is 21. Okay, I activate this to see the sketch. Then we apply pocket of 60 minus 24 in parentheses divided by 2. Parentheses 60 minus 24 parentheses divided by 2. This is the depth. Okay. Now we apply mirror of this pocket about this plane. Which is XY. Okay, you see now the 2 cuts. Like the other way, we select face, we go to hole, and we apply 10. Once again, through all. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.